What I'd like to show today is a wireless charging of a tablet. This is something I've been looking for a long time. Of course, we've all seen the kinds of wireless charging that's built into phones, where it's right inside the device. Some Samsung devices and later Apple devices. Or you could add a pad on the back if you have an older device for charging. But until recently, I've never seen a vendor that would claim their charging setup would work with a tablet. As you can see, we got a brick right there in the middle, the wireless charging brick, and we put this on there, and there we go. Now, I can even do it with a case on there, but I'm just showing it like this so you could see what it looks like on the back. So that actually works. I've done it with some Samsung tablets, iPad Pros, and it seems to charge almost at the same rate. Especially the iPads have a heavier duty charger right now from this vendor. So it actually works, and I am happy. I've tried doing it for years, just using the little phone chargers, but it didn't seem to work. But this has a nice stand and has a way to move this up and down so you can place it at the right level, because you see they made the cord a little too short. This is actually for a phone. It should be more in the middle here, but for a first cut, I don't mind charging in the portrait mode. There you go. Wireless tablet charging.